Hello everyone, welcome to Epic Bong Kitchen. Today I am making a very popular Bengali dish, Alur Dum, also known as Dum Aloo. We make it two different ways, one with onion and garlic and one without. We call it Niramish Alur Dum. Please watch the video till the end. This is a very simple recipe. Let's start. Here I have approximately 16 to 17 pieces of baby potatoes. I have boiled them in the pressure cooker for one whistle only and peeled the skin off. I poked a few small holes using a fork. This is very important. And we need one medium size roughly chopped onion, one green chili, 2 garlic cloves and little bit ginger about half tablespoon, one medium size tomato puree, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, half tablespoon Bengali bhaja masala, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, pinch of sugar and pinch of Bengali garam masala, 3 tablespoon mustard oil, 2 small bay leaves, little bit cinnamon stick, 3 to 4 cloves, 2 green cardamom, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 1 teaspoon crushed fennel seeds. Okay, first I will marinate the potatoes with little bit salt, turmeric and red chili powder. Just toss it to coat the potatoes with masala evenly. Leave it for 10 minutes. In the meantime, let's make the onion, ginger, garlic and green chili paste. Here I am taking a blending jar, add onion, green chili, garlic, 2 garlic cloves and ginger. Add some water. Our paste is ready. Take a mixing bowl, pour the tomato puree into the bowl, add turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder. Mix them well. Okay, our masalas are ready. Let's make the dum aloo. Heat up the pan. Now add mustard oil. You can use any cooking oil. Make sure the heat is on medium. First we will fry the potatoes. See, when you will make dum aloo or aloo dum, try to take baby potatoes because they look good. We will do shallow fry only. Now remove them. In the same pan and same oil, I am adding 2 bay leaves and whole garam masala, pinch of asafoetida or hing, cumin seeds and crushed fennel seeds. Now add ginger, garlic, green chili and onion paste. Saute it on medium heat until the raw flavor goes away. Now add tomato puree mix masala and saute it for a few more minutes. Now add fried potatoes. Salt to taste, pinch of sugar, saute it for 2 more minutes only. Now add some water. I have already boiled the potatoes, so you don't need to add too much water. Cover it for 10 minutes on high heat, but check it after 5 minutes and keep the flame on medium. I checked it after 5 minutes and I kept the flame on medium. I am going to add Bengali bhaja masala and Bengali garam masala. You can check the Bengali bhaja masala and Bengali garam masala's recipe. I will add the link. Mix it gently. Now switch off the flame and leave it for 2 more minutes, then we'll dish out. Thanks for watching my video. If you like this recipe, let me know in the comment section below. See you next time. Take care. Bye.